Okay, if you saw the title of this video, you know today is the day. Today I am opening up my absolute dream bag and I could not be more excited. So I will give a little bit of a background because this is actually such a crazy thing that I feel like I'm even doing and filming right now. So a couple years ago I did a video on unboxing my dream bag and it was a Chanel classic flap. Let me show you. I still got her. So she is this beautiful black Chanel classic flap with the silver hardware, and this was my absolute dream bag for such a long time, like probably forever. What I wanted most out of a bag in my collection, and it was such a dream to achieve this and be able to unbox it, and now I have it and I wear this bag all the time. And I said in that video, I said, you know, like the fun part about having a dream and achieving it is you get to find a new dream and a new goal and something to work towards. So, which seems so funny because it's literally like handbag, so like I'll just caveat that there. Yes, I'm aware, but let's just have fun. Like let's just be girly, let's have fun, and let's unbox my new dream bag. So if you've been following my channel, you've been following probably a little bit of my journey sprinkled in, but this new bag is from Hermes. This shopping bag is literally bigger than me. But no, this is another absolute dream come true. And I will do a full separate video on my whole journey, I guess, on how I got here. And yes, I did get this bag offered to me in a proper boutique in the United States. And so it has been a journey to get here. Yeah. Now we are here. Now we unbox. But actually, before I unbox it, be sure to take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Also, let me know what you think it's gonna be. The color, the size, which bag, Birkin, Kelly. But here's the box. So cute. So I will give just a little bit of a story time here. I got the call a couple days ago, and when my sales associate called me, I had already told in earlier appointments that I was really looking for a neutral color, nothing dark. So I got the call, you know, the Hermes call, the we have a bag for you call. And my sales associate had told me he'd gotten a bag in the right size, but the color was black with palladium hardware, and palladium is like their silver color. And so my heart kind of sank a little bit because I had obviously been waiting so long for this bag. And a black and silver combo is so classic, but I knew that I had my Chanel bag in that exact color combination, and so it was really hard for me to say yes to that because I have a lot of black bags. I know it's a classic and it's such a sought after color at Hermes for a quota bag having the black, and it was such a terrible feeling. But my husband, shout out to him, he's so smart. He told me just ask how long it would take to get the color combination that you like and that you really want and that's at the top of your list. And so I did. I said, how long would I have to wait for this color and this hardware in that size bag? Just so I could set my expectations, because if it was going to be something we don't know, it may never come in, all of that, then I would have been like, okay, I'll take the black bag. Then he said, wait 1 second, and hangs up the phone on me. And I'm freaking out. And so then calls me back a few minutes later and says, all right, I asked another sales associate and they're willing to switch bags. So he gives them the black bag and I get my absolute dream bag. And at that moment, I was so excited. It was actually insane. Literally the #1 combination of everything that I wanted is this bag, and I almost didn't get it. We just had to ask. Without further ado, I will open up the bag and let me know what you guys think. What do you think I got? It has a little pillow. So yes, I'm here in my little Hermes t-shirt. Just wait for the journey video. But no, so now for the big reveal. I'm like looking in here and I can't believe I own this. 1, 2, 3. Here she is. She is a gold on gold Birkin. I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed with this bag. This is literally such a dream. Such a dream come true. Let me open her up and show you guys what we're working with. I've never even done this before. Okay. The flap on the flap. Ooh, all the things. We got some packaging. Oh, we got the little clochette. It was showing me that the keys are functional in the little clochette. So you have, if you need to lock up your Birkin, got these little keys to open and close her up. Also, it was so funny. I said the associate was printing out my receipt and I was like, I'm not gonna return it. Like, why do we need a receipt? So that was funny. Got the receipt. Maybe I'll frame it. Let me show you guys inside of the bag. It's pretty simple. It just has this little flap and then it's pretty open. And I feel like most people kind of wear it opened up like this. It's just so beautiful. It's also in the Togo leather. I don't know if I said that. This is such a dream come true. I don't even know what else to say. Here's the bag, here's the Birkin, here's dream bag 1, dream bag 2. Like, this is actually insane. But no, I am so grateful, thankful, and I'm just so happy. I'm so happy I got this bag. But yeah, this bag is just seriously such a dream come true. I'm still kind of in shock that this is mine. Like, this is not a dream. Like, this is a dream come true. Yeah, I'm still just so shocked and excited that I ended up getting just the perfect combination that I was looking for. Because you hear so many, I guess, horror stories of people who never really get exactly what they want or have to wait a really, really long time to get what they want. So yeah, I was really lucky. Again, I will do a full video breaking down all the details on how I got here. But otherwise, for today's video, this is it. This is all we got. But no, this is such a crazy unboxing. I feel like at this point, my wallet cannot afford a new dream. I think we might be stopping our dreaming here. But like, what a great place to end. Yeah, just super, super grateful and excited. And I'm going to get so much use out of this bag. Like, this is going to be the go-to in the future. For sure. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. This is all you're gonna see for a very long time. No, super, super cute, super functional, and super cool. I have a Birkin. Alright, if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Like I was saying though, we might not be getting many more luxury unboxings after this. But no, be sure if you enjoyed this content, I have a lot of fun different styling videos and things like that. So definitely check out the rest of my channel. If you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.